welcome to my channel. My name is Allison. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today we are talking about the Kira from Tory Burch. We're doing a 2-year update. Okay, I have the all black one with the black hardware, right? And I also have this beige one with the gold hardware. Today I'll be basically focusing on the black bag, talking about how it has held up over the last 2 years, some of the things I have noticed, some things that you guys should consider before buying this bag, and so forth. So let's get right into it. So how I like to preserve my bags to preserve the shape, I like to put random things in the bag. So we have a Christmas sock, some pillowcases, an old shirt. But basically, this is what the inside of the bag is looking like, right? So it's like a nice beige color. I at one point was like rocking this bag almost every day. So this is how it looks now without all the stuffing. It still has like a nice shape to it, right? It did buckle right here at the bottom corner, which is kind of expected. That's why I stuffed the bag too. So this bag doesn't have like any, feet. It's basically bag to surface. So with that being said, some of the corners have worn a little bit. I can show you guys what I mean by that. So you guys can like kind of see like this corner here. Basically all 4 corners, right? One other thing that I've noticed too is the hardware has changed color. It's basically peeling and discoloring. So like right there, you can see the chain is going from black to orange, discoloring a little bit. So right there you can see the chain is going from black to orange. This is mainly like part of the chain that's always like in the loopholes, right? So it's not really as noticeable. I also feel like it happened somewhere on the shoulder too, but I can't find it right now. Like the straps itself, like the leather straps itself has held up really well. It's not been tearing or peeling or anything like that. And then obviously the emblem on the envelope flap has not tarnished or changed color. Personally, like I said, this is like my everyday bag. I love it, I love it, I love it. Nothing else is really changing color besides, again, the chains, but they're the ones that's mainly like in the loop, and I always like wear my bag with both handles. So it's very rare that if I wear my bag like this, and if I did, then you can see like the discoloring, right? And I don't know if that's from me always wearing the bag like that or what. When I bought this bag, I think currently the bag now retails for $5.95 without tax on Tory Burch or Nordstrom or Bloomingdale's. Thinking back to it, I think that I bought this bag all together 2 years ago, $5.65, and that's with tax, I want to say. I love this bag so much. I've been wanting to find this exact bag again and like buy a new one, right, just to have for the future, and I can't find it anywhere. Mainly what I'm seeing is that it's a black one like this, it's like black and gold, or it's just black and gold one. I don't even see the black and silver one. Back when I was purchasing the bag, there was an all black one like this, a black and gold one, and a black and silver one. Can't find it anywhere, which is wild. I don't know if they like stopped making it, or when they do sell it, it just sells out fast. I don't know, but I love it. If I was you, I would totally get it. It's like worth every cent. A lot can fit in it, but again, if you do like stuff the bag, it does kind of bulge, right? Like it gets like really big and kind of ugly. So that's what I keep in mind. So it's like a magnet snap, right? And that right there snaps to the bag like that. This has tarnished a little bit. I didn't even notice that until I started recording this video. There is like a pocket here, right? There's a pocket here that can zip, and then there's a pocket in the back of the purse that can also zip. And then obviously where that snaps, it also says Tory Burch, and it's also kind of tarnishing as well. Not that it's changing colors, but you know, scratching up, I should say. Now this one is one I've also had for maybe a year now. I have worn this bag maybe once. I don't remember like what color per se the name is, but it has a gold hardware. It's not tarnished because I never take it out. I always keep it in the dust bag. This one I also stuck with some shirts as well as some of the original paper, but mainly a shirt. So this bad boy stays nice and plump in my closet, put up. I like wearing the black one more because I feel like black goes with like everything, right? So no matter what the outfit is, this baby's always with me. And then this one, again, worn once. So you guys can like clearly see the difference, right? One thing I would say, even with the one, like this beige one, I rarely wear. It also does buckle at the bottom. So you guys can like see that it's creasing. I should say creasing instead of buckle. So I try to like stuff everything and like I try to stuff something in every corner to prevent that from happening, but sometimes it just happens. When I got this beige one, by the way, too, I think I definitely got this one on sale. And when I bought it online, it looked one color to me, or I thought it would be like a different shade. I didn't know it would be like this creamy orange situation. I thought it would be like more creamy than, I don't know, orange creamy. It was me. I will buy both all over again. I'll probably buy this one a different color, maybe like a white or like a more, I don't know, beigey one. This bad boy, I will buy it over and over and over and over again. It's so adorable. It goes with everything, literally. And I think I might go ahead and buy the black and gold one too, so I can't find the all black one. I kind of want to put this one in the rest. I don't want to wear it out too much, but again, this is my go-to purse, and I try at this point not to use it as much. Thank you guys for watching this video. I appreciate it so much. Please give this video a big thumbs up. That will help this channel grow. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, and I'll see you guys later. Say bye.